guys, August 25th, 2021. Never got a call from a guy. He says I was there a couple of years ago when there was water leaking through the ceiling on his AC. I think I remember is the drain's kind of like up inside the gutter type of thing. I think I went over there last time, put my vacuum on it, and sucked out the slime out of it. If I remember right, this is the same guy. But anyway, he wants me to go back. He's having problems with it leaking through the ceiling again. We'll check, make sure that the condensate drain's working fine, and maybe crawl up in the attic, take a look at it, check the charge. Make sure the filters are clean. Try to get you some shots if I can. Full of stuff. And out and see what we could do with it, okay?
Last time it worked fine.
What was it?
Last time you did it, it worked fine for a while.
Yeah, it just gets slimy. Then all of a sudden it starts pouring through the ceiling, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it could be a lot of things. It could be a rotted pan. It might be low on charge, but you say it's cooling fine, right?
Yeah.
It's not struggling? That's what happened last time. Let's try vacuuming in it. Give it the old vacuum treatment, see what happens, okay?
Now what is that vacuum bed sucking in towards you?
Yeah, I'm gonna do is put my vacuum on there and give it the old vacuum treatment. See if I can pull it, loosen it up. There it comes. Definitely got some shit in there. Water coming out. Yeah, we've definitely had some stuff in there. I don't know why they got that flipping strap though. It's kind of makes it hard to vacuum it. There we go. That's what we did last time and it solved the problem, right?
What was that?
That's what we did last time and it solved the problem, right?
Yeah. Is there any prevention?
What?
Is there any prevention on that, or you just no prevention?
Well, it's probably the way the thing was piped off. I don't know. So HVAC guys got to eat too, you know. Right? Yep. When we get it downstairs, we'll see how much water was in there. Quite a bit. So that's enough. I mean, you get a blockage, right? Yep. And then it don't drain, and then as it runs, it backs up and overflows.
Can I turn it on now?
Yeah, go ahead. I want to see how it condensates. We'll run it until it starts condensating good. He's got a good drip on. He's going to start running it. It should start working good now. We'll open it up when we get it down. Get up on the ladder here. We'll open it up and see how much we got in there. You can see it's all slimy and shit there. See it?
Yeah.
That's definitely a problem. Nice warm air coming out. This thing's sweating nice. It charges fine on this. This is nice, kind of little on the warm side. It's sweating. It's cold. Fine. Yeah. AC here with no secondary pan. That's why it was leaking. This condensate trap was probably blocked. No secondary pan here on this thing. That's kind of a shit job. I mean, I could probably put one secondary pan on it. It's blocked. I could put a float switch on there, but it really should have a secondary pan under this thing. Kind of a shitty setup here. But it's flowing, it goes right out. I think I told him last time I was here it needs a secondary pan under it. I think I got one that would fit right in here too. So there's nothing light over there. Filter looks clean.